I would like to continue our discussion about stick welding or shielded metal arc welding. Today we'll be discussing the different kinds of welding machines for this process. They are basically divided into two types of machines: AC machines for on farms and in shops where they do miscellaneous iron work. The alternating current machines work best on welding rods like 6013, 7014. There's even an AC version of 7018 that works very well on alternating current machines. Their duty cycle is something that we should discuss. All of these stick welding machines have what's called a duty cycle. The duty cycle refers to the amount of time that you can actually weld in every 10 minutes of time. A 20% duty cycle means that you can weld at maximum amperage the machine is capable of in a 10-minute time frame. You can weld for 2 minutes. The other 8 minutes of time you have to allow the machine to cool off. So it's important to keep your eyes on the amount of time that you're actually welding in a 10-minute time frame. DC welding machines have the same problem. They require you to keep your eyes on the welding duty cycle so that you don't overheat the machine and burn out the transformer. Direct current machines are, as that says, a direct current, DC. You have two different polarities: direct current electrode positive, direct current electrode negative. Electrode negative machines can sometimes be used for TIG welding on carbon steel and stainless steel. Regardless of the polarity that you use, these machines are very acceptable for doing all position stick work. They're widely used in construction, and they have several diesel and gasoline engine driven varieties of DC stick welding machines. They do an excellent job, and they're very durable and give you a wider range of options than the AC electrode machines.